sprinkles, in 2024 this year, you are thinking about becoming a content creator, or you are a content creator and you're finding it difficult to kickstart your journey. This video you stumbled upon is the right video for you. In this video, I will be telling you about the tips no one is telling any content creator. Just keep on watching and I will share everything that will help you upgrade this journey and make it smoother for you. Okay. Hi my sprinkles, welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I post videos on everything YouTube improvement tips and how-to videos. If this is your first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to watch my video. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. I will always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed, educating content on this channel. And if you're doubting me, please go through my other content to confirm this. In today's video, I will be talking about tips they don't tell content creator beginners. So this is a beginner-friendly advice from me to you, okay? So keep on watching and learn, okay? Hi my sprinkles, mind you, this is a friendly advice that works for all social media platforms. So let's get into it. My tip 1 is you don't need to begin with expensive gadgets. You don't need to begin very expensive. What I mean by very expensive, you don't need expensive gadgets, you don't need expensive microphone, you don't need expensive phone or camera. You just have to begin with whatever you have. Emphasis on whatever you have. If you don't have a tripod, you can use your hand to film, or you can place book on your window or your filming setup and film. Right now I am filming with a tripod and I have a cupboard here where I placed some things. That is it. You don't need to begin your journey expensively, okay? You are good to go with just your phone and your earpiece. If you can afford a microphone, there are wireless microphones and there are lapel microphones that are very affordable for you. And if you can afford a tripod, there are different tripods that can suit your budget. So you can go for anyone you like. I have videos on microphone and videos on tripod talking and explaining about different microphones and different tripods. I will link those videos down below, okay? Now, just be rest assured. So if you're worried about, oh, should I begin with this? Should I begin with that? What kind of gear can I get? What kind of gadgets can I get? What kind of tripod can I get? I got you covered. You don't need to worry your head over anything because nobody will ask you what kind of gadgets you have when you're not giving them value or you're not filming what they like. You should be worried about the type of video to put out there to attract your own audience that will suit you and relate with you. So that's what you should worry about. Gadget is not the first thing that should be on your mind. Okay, let's go to tip 2. My sprinkles, my number 2 tip is that what nobody will tell you is that you just have to remove shyness and be confident. Anyhow you want to do it, just do it. But this you have to do. You have to remove, oh, what will people say? Oh, what will my mom say? Oh, this and that. No, or you'll be telling yourself, oh, I don't think my content is up to par. I don't think so this person will like my content. As far as you're doing the right thing, as far as you're shooting a valuable content, as far as it's the right thing, right video. You know what I mean by right video, right? Because you're putting out video that is morally right and valuable. That is only what you need. You don't need the whole world to embrace you and hug you. You just have to be confident in yourself and be confident in your skill. You don't have to be waiting for the right time. My dear, if I am waiting for the right time, I don't think I would have started my YouTube channel when I did. There is no right time. The right time is now. Every single day you wake up, that is the right time. So get yourself and embrace yourself. Hug yourself and tell yourself that you can do this. Put out those videos. Nobody will even want to cheer you up during this time. You have to cheer yourself up first. You have to be your own number 1 cheerleader before others follow. before others follow. Start sharing yourself, be confident in yourself and embrace yourself and tell yourself you can do this. From me to you, you can do this. Don't worry, your friends and your family will come around when they see you're doing good for yourself. They'll be like, oh, let me just come and see what she's doing. Let me come and see what he's doing. They will come around. They will certainly come around. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next point. My sprinkles. Have you ever heard about this saying that say your niche is you? Yes, your niche is you. So don't worry about your niche. That is my next tip. You don't need to bother, oh, I like clothing, I like beauty, I like makeup. Which one should I do? Do everything. Yes, do everything. By the time you have more visibility on a particular type of niche, you advise yourself by yourself to concentrate on that niche. Right now, be all the niche. Film every video coming to your head. Film every video you love filming. Focus on them. Give it your best shot. Give it your best time. Give it everything in you. You will see you will focus on one. When they start getting visibility, you will see you will focus on one. It's your audience that will help you choose your niche. By that time, you will be settled and be comfortable with the niche you work with. Okay, so the first thing on your mind, or the thing on your mind, shouldn't be your niche. What niche will I go? What niche will I represent? Represent everything you love. Represent everything you love. Makeup, beauty, cooking, everything, will blend them. Okay, we'll blend them. Talk to me in the comment section if you have any question. If you have any worry, talk to me and I will reply you. Okay, at this point, hope you have subscribed, because this subscribe something is a two-way thing. You subscribe, you join my community and you learn more. Okay, because there is more where this type of video is coming from, and you will grow. And like this video, it will help the algorithm to push this video out to more viewers, and somebody somewhere will discover this video and it will help them, because I know this video is valuable. And don't forget to share this video, because I know you're getting value from it. Okay, thank you for doing that. Let's move on to the next tip. My sprinkles, don't be hard on yourself. Yes, this is my next tip I have for new content creator beginners. Don't be hard on yourself. Just take your content one step at a time. Even if your video is not gaining traction yet, it's not getting that views you want, it's not getting that visibility, you have not gotten that viral video, don't be hard on yourself. We know how these things go. Just relax, calm down. Take it one step at a time, one video at a time. One day that video will click. One day, even if you release the video you're even expecting to go viral, that one will go viral. Just take it one step at a time, one video at a time, one topic and one content at a time. And don't forget to jump on trend. If you're on a niche that can jump on trend, don't forget to know the kind of trend that is happening in your niche and jump on it. Those kind of trending videos boost channel, boost the visibility of your video. Trends always have a way of boosting the visibility of your channel or that platform or that video. Just jump on trend in your niche. Not when you're a cooking niche, you're jumping on trend on background videos or educational videos. No, jump on trend if you know that it is raining pasta dish, it is raining how to cook different type of alfredo. You jump on those kind of trend on how to make dishes, because right now I know the trend that is people are jumping on is how to make different type of rice dishes. So you can jump on that if you're in the cooking niche. You cannot leave cooking niche trend and jump on educational trending videos. No, know the trend in your niche and jump on it. It will help your channel visibility. Okay, let's move on to the next point. My sprinkles, my fifth tip is don't worry about going viral. Viral comes when you're not even expecting it. You see, going viral, it comes when you don't even have it in mind. That's when it comes. And I will tell you for sure that ask people that their videos have gone viral. They'll tell you that they didn't even expect this video to go viral, and that video went viral, and that is it. If you keep on posting, you don't know that video that will go viral. That is why you need to post and you need to worry less about it. It will go viral on its own. You are not the algorithm. You don't create how things work. It works on its own time. If people find this video helpful and they found value in it, they'll watch it and push it themselves for it to go viral. So it's not even by your power. When you can't control what is not in your power, is it not for you to let it be? Yes, let it be. Let the viral thing work on its own. Let's move on to the next tip. Okay, my sprinkles, when I tell you there are things you should worry about and things you should not bother your head about, especially if you know you cannot do anything about it, don't worry about it. Now the thing you should worry about is your data or airtime, what you use to upload your video. That's gig. Nobody's telling anybody that uploading videos on YouTube, other social media is very expensive. Most times when I want to upload one of my videos, just one, I can spend like 2 gig of my airtime for one video. Talk less about when I have to upload 3-4 videos. Do the maths, you see. Now most times I'll just do girls math by trying to merge some data with some of my friends. Like I use some of my friends' Wi-Fi to send my videos. I'll make sure that my videos are ready by the time I have to go and see my friend. You see, these are the kind of things you should worry about. Nobody is telling new beginners content creators that they're going to spend money, lots of money on data and airtime. But I know you figure it out, but bear it in mind that you will need data to upload your videos and they are expensive. So worry about that and leave other things to worry about itself. Okay, just worry about how to get airtime or data to upload your video for people to watch, because you can't keep on having that video on your phone or your laptop. You have to post it for people to watch, and posting is not free. This is my last tip for content creator. If you want me to turn this into a series, please leave it in the comment section and I will talk more about it. Okay, also if you have any question you want to ask me concerning content creating or anything, please leave it in the comment section. I enjoy interacting and replying your questions. And if you haven't subscribed at this point, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. Give this video a huge like because I know you got value for it, and also share my videos so other people could learn and the algorithm will push more of my content to my audience. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Please stay safe out there. Okay, bye.